Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today in this video, I'll show you how you will be able to accept requests on Cash App. So follow up with me and let's jump right into it. First, of course, we launch the app. Make sure you are logged into your Cash App account. Now from here, tap on your profile picture in the top right corner. You will be taken to the screen. Now we need to scroll down a little bit to find this setting that says security and privacy. This one right here. So go ahead and tap on it. Again, here we need to scroll down a little bit again to find an option that says incoming requests. You go ahead and toggle it on. Now, if you want to receive requests from everyone, you need to choose allow all. Of course, if you only want them from your contacts, choose contacts only. Now, once you make up your choice about this setting, you'll be receiving the requests from people. Now, you will be given the choice to accept the requests or not. And that is basically how you'll be able to receive the requests and accept them or even deny them. I hope this video was helpful. Please like and comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe and thank you for watching.